Hi friends, today we are making a delicious Sri Lankan style mutton curry. Rich, spicy and full of authentic flavors. This version is cooked without coconut milk, allowing the natural taste of mutton and the roasted Sri Lankan spices really shine. It's a bold, hearty curry that goes perfect with the hot rice, roti or bread. Let's get started. Let's look at the ingredients I am using today. Here I have 1.5 kilograms of mutton. As you know, mutton usually has more bones than meat, but it has an incredible rich flavor. For cooking, I am using about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil for that authentic Sri Lankan taste. I also have fresh curry leaves, 1 chopped onion, and mix of ginger, garlic, cinnamon, and cloves, which I crushed together using a mortar and pestle. For spices, I am using curry powder, pepper, salt, and chili. Normally, Sri Lankan mutton curry is made with roasted curry powder. But since regular curry powder is easier to find in supermarkets, I will show you how to roast it slightly to bring out the deeper flavor. I am using about 1.5 tablespoon of curry powder, which is really the hero of this dish. Mutton has strong flavor, so we use plenty of spices to create a rich and balanced curry. First, heat the pan and add the coconut oil. Once the oil is hot, add crushed cinnamon, ginger, garlic, cloves, and cinnamon. The aroma at this stage is absolutely amazing. Now, add the curry leaves. You should smell the beautiful Sri Lankan fragrance filling in the kitchen. Next, add the chopped onion and saute it well. I also forgot to mention earlier that we need about 2 large tomatoes. So I am adding them later. Now it's time to for the spices. Add curry powder, pepper, salt and chili and let them roast together with the onion. Normally we use roasted curry powder which gives a darker color, but since I am using regular curry powder today, I will cook it little longer to bring out the flavor. Now add the tomatoes and cook everything for few minutes. I use quite a lot tomatoes today, so later we will check the balance of sourness. If needed, we can add a little vinegar. Next, add the mutton into the pan. Mix everything well. Cover with the lid and let it cook. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, but any vinegar will work. Mix it well, cover the pot again and let it cook on medium low heat until the meat become tender. And now the curry is nearly ready. Look how beautiful and rich it is. And here is our beautiful Sri Lankan style mutton curry. Rich, spicy, and full of flavor. The meat is tender and perfectly coated with these authentic spices. This curry tastes amazing with hot steamed rice, roti, or fresh bread. I hope you will try this recipe at home and enjoy with your family. Thanks for watching.